they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You like me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Alright, so today is the day that we get the C6 on the dyno, and we finally get to see what this setup does at pretty much maxed out. The car isn't maxed out, motor isn't maxed out, but as far as this pulley combo, fuel system, this is probably like the most this thing can make. So today we're gonna be taking over there and seeing what it makes. So I'm looking forward to this. I can finally get to drive this car, you know, without the trainer wheels on it. We get to see what it does. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, man, we gonna see what's cracking with this. I think what I want to do right now, though, before we even get into all that, I want to swap these wheels out. You guys know I've been running on the 20s. These things work phenomenal, but I think I'm gonna throw the drag pack on. We do have some runs and races coming up, so I want to see how this thing hooks up with the drag radials on. Let me go grab my other wheels, grab some tools, jack this thing up, get the drag pack on, and then we'll commence with the day. So I'll be right back shortly. And I know y'all don't want to see me time lapse me putting wheels on, so we'll just jump straight from it. We got here, and then bam. So while I was out here doing this, I figured I'd try my other wheels on that I had on the C5. These don't look too bad, actually. Instead of running the 2019 staggered, this setup is a 1918 staggered setup. Looks cool. Not too bad. We'll have to swap out the spacer though. The spacer is like a little too far out, so I do have some smaller spacers for it that I could put on. But yeah, it don't look too bad. Kind of dig it. All right, let's try these drag radials on. All right, so it's looking like the drag pack is a no-go on here. So it's barely hitting the brake right here, like barely. Alright, so you already know where we're at. Wearing my ball white earrings.
I love your shirt. I definitely need one of those.
Oh, me? Somebody made me this hella long ago.
That's sick. Hey, whoever made that, make me one. I'm a large.
They probably haven't found my new page yet.
Yeah, that's
It's like look at the back.
Hey, that's sick.
Hella old.
Yeah, that's sick.
My SC on the back and shit.
Yeah, I like it. I'm doing VQ things as always, you know.
Yeah, always. See that? Jeez. Yeah. Wheel bearing shot. So ordered 2 new wheel bearings. I'm actually ordering the brakes and stuff right now too. So while we're in there, we'll replace the pads, rotors, and all that stuff. So got a little purchase order to make. But new blow-off valves are on there. You can see both of them things in here. So yeah, we're gonna fire this thing up. Hear how this dual blow-off valve setup sounds. I have Aaron drive it down the block. Piss his neighbors off.
Yeah.
His favorite thing.
Yeah. I have to embrace it because I already do it no matter what anyway.
Oh, that's definitely louder. It says louder with the doubles. Bump it again. Oh yeah, that's definitely louder. That sounds good. Oh, that sounds good. This is Stan. This is definitely the vibe. Ooh, this sounds so good. This definitely sounds good, bruh. This is a different sound altogether. Huh?
This car is kind of fun.
Dude,
When my C5 is done, I can't wait to mob with you.
You stupid. It sounds hella good. Oh, I love this car, man. I love this car. Now I'm gonna go wash it before I hit the dyno. It sounds hella good.
Dude, it sounds good in here, but it's pretty quiet even driving.
All right, my people. We're just getting here to the dyno. So we're here now. Looks like Jason's in there messing with my V. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know the V is Ray's car, but my future car. What's up? You finally break 600 or what?
650.
Oh, I feel it. 650. Come on, Jay, man. It's 3 o'clock, yo. Get this thing off of here. Get this thing off of here. Yeah, man, this thing sounds good. Made dope ass power. You happy with that? Yeah. Gonna gap some fools now?
600 is cool.
You know? Saw 600. Saw 600. Hoping I make 600 today too.
That'd be nice.
600 gang, you know?
600 daily. Not bad.
What's that she say, bro? Nah. You ready? I'm trying to make 600 too today, man.
605. You got fuel pressure or what?
We good. About to make all of it.
All of it? Is that right?
606.
We'll see.
Here we go, getting ready to get started now. Jay's basically starting over. He said that currently there's really no timing in it. So he said it was fat. I guess right now what he wants to do is clean up the fueling, lean it out a little bit, and then we'll start adding the timing back to it. But he did say right now, since we added the booster pump, it's a little on the fatty side as far as AFR goes. It's like 10.5 or some shit like that. So Alright, so since that was the very first pull, no timing, no nothing in it, I guess I can show y'all what that was. That pull right there was 616 at 609 foot-pounds of torque. So, yeah, that's the first pull right there. Walk over here, Jay talking about we got bad news. I'm like, what's the bad news? Talking about we got more boost than we had before. That's good news. What's the extra? What's like an extra pound of boost? What's that? Extra 25 wheel?
25.
Yeah, we need that. Can you find another pound on top of that pound? Shit.
Just go look around. Let me walk around the car.
Y'all got some boost stored away in here? Don't tell me you're getting nervous now because you see 1 extra pound of boost.
It's 2.
2 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
Jay's talking about it's gonna make a lot of power. It's still not gonna make, you know what I'm saying, what we would make with a fuel system.
I might have to send you to the gas station.
Oh, you're killing me.
We might need to start blending.
Here we go with this training wheels.
Duty cycle.
Oh, we're at 105?
Yes, and 8.85 pounds of boost at 6,100. So it's probably gonna make 9.5 pounds at redline.
Oof. You got some injectors here?
I don't know. That has 1200s.
What? Who got some? I'll buy some 1200s right now. We can swap them in if we need to.
We might have to go to SAC. Pull them off your C5. Call Alex. Tell me you need them.
I'm like, hey, we gotta do an injector swap. Man, hey, didn't I tell you that? Didn't I ask you? I was like, should we pull the injectors off the C5 and put them on here?
Yeah, but they wouldn't fit. They're not EV6.
Remember, those ones aren't either. We still run the adapters.
Alright, Mike.
Ah, see, man, you gonna make me drive the SAC and go get some injectors, bruh. I'm gonna need you to find some fueling in these tables somewhere.
After beyond 105%, we'll just get right on that.
So y'all remember how I was telling y'all we're on the edge of the fuel system, and literally right there, first pull, we're saying 105% of injector duty, and we're making. Last time we made like 7 pounds of boost or whatever, and now we're seeing almost 9 pounds. So we kind of need some injectors. I have another set, but it's like, oh, damn it, that sucks. He keeps saying, he's like, dude, it's gonna make more power than what, it's gonna make more power than what we want it to make, and it's definitely gonna make more power than what Alex wants to make. So like, this thing just keeps getting stronger. It's not its final form, it's just getting stronger and stronger. It's crazy because all we did was tighten the belt, seeing an extra 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds of boost, and the shit wants to just make more power. And I don't know, I gotta figure it out. I have to figure this out. All right, so right now what we're about to do is we're gonna check fuel pressure. We wanna see if we're having a fuel pressure drop or what. But if we're having pressure drop, man, I might have to just go ahead and do this stupid Ford Innovation fuel system that Alex wants to do, which is the dual pump setup and like some ID 1600s or something. And that'll give us all the fucking, dude, if I do all that, we're definitely gonna be pulling this thing down and we're just like gonna send it wildly. I can see the fuel pressure dropping from over there. Yeah, we're dropping hard.
Something happened though. Something must have happened. Let me see.
Dude, it dropped.
Did it come back up?
It went back up.
I saw it. I could see it come back up.
Oh, what if we adjust the booster pump?
Yeah, because I could see it. If you look at it here, it got a little lean, like 12.1, but then in the middle of the pull at 6,400, it comes back down to 11.3, 11.8 at 6,500.
Damn, man, we just need a fuel system, huh?
It looks that way.
We're gonna have to hear Alex's mouth, bruh. So I told you to do this shit 6 weeks ago. This shit would have been done already. Told you, motherfuckers, you and Jason, y'all motherfuckers don't listen to me, man. So I'm a multi-million-dollar motherfucking shopping shit. I know this shit. I tried and true. It's proven. You know he gonna hit us with that. That's why you laughing, because that's exactly what he gonna do.
I'm just happy we found some boost.
Dude, if we do that fuel system, I'm about to give you another 3 pounds on top of that. I'm gonna get the other pulley.
I'm not scared. That belt had to be really loose though, because I mean we're probably gonna hit 10.5 pounds of boost. We're at 9.9 at 65, and we're gonna take it to 68.
I mean, this is the 10-pound setup, but I mean we're gonna order that 12-pound setup now.
Let's do it.
We're doing fuel system. We might as well.
Around.
What you over there doing? Putting training wheels back on?
No, I'm giving it to you, man. If you want it, I'm gonna give it to you. Okay, can you go sign that waiver?
Alright, here we go. We're gonna try this again. Wow, fire today.
Degrees of timing. That's what that was. 10.3 pounds.
Dude! You getting nervous or what?
You should be. You're the one with low fuel pressure. What's up, man? How's it going? Yeah,
So what you think? We're gonna make more power than the C5, right?
we're gonna do it right now. Hey, fuck this C5.
Well, look at that. We officially blew the C5 out of the water.
Yeah. Time to sell it.
Dude, with less boost. That is sad. A stock LS3 just punked my built stroker motor. We'll just put a stock LS3 in that car, dude. It'd be a done deal. How fuel look?
On the edge. It's not gonna look any better.
This is going against everything Alex stands for. He's gonna see this and be hella mad.
So he gets her showing up yesterday at 11 o'clock.
I can picture him calling us on a conference call.
Yeah.
Yo, so what the f?
Why are you doing that?
I told y'all we don't do that spicy shit.
like, you know, typically I tune this to about 11.8, all right? So the top of the gear, here it is here. It's a little rich. I'm gonna take some fuel out. It's 11.5 at 6,000, 11.8, 11.9, 12.1, 11.9, 11.5, 11.4.
11.8, 11.9.
Yeah, I mean, it's only 112% duty cycle, so. So it's your call. What do you want to do?
I mean, we can call it here. You feel it safe or what? You feel this is gonna be fine?
I mean, it's fine for now.
I mean, we can call it. You said we got how much more power left?
I think about 25.
Another 25?
Yeah.
You think we got enough? Well, I ain't gonna ask if we got enough fuel for it.
No more fuel.
We can
We
call
only
it.
have timing, all right?
We can call it here.
All right, let's call it here. Don't call me tomorrow.
I'm gonna call you tomorrow with some injectors.
No.
So if I put some 1200s in here, you think we'd be cool?
No, I mean, call Alex.
I'ma just do the fuel system, man. We plan with fire. We've already made more power than the C5. I'm gonna give you fuel. I got you.
All right.
I'm gonna give you fuel in.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give Jason some fuel. We'll redo the whole fuel system with the dual pump setup, and I'll probably add the other pulley. We'll probably pick up another 80 wheel or so. We'll just turn this thing all the way up at this point. Like, if I gotta spend an extra $5 grand on fuel system, then that's just what we're gonna do. But the C6 is nasty, dude. This thing is, I'm so impressed. This car is insane, bruh. Insane how much power this car is making. And it made more in the C5. Literally, we are only seeing 10 pounds of boost. With the other pulley combo, we're probably gonna see 12. Still don't have all the timing in it. Like, LS3, dude, this thing is nasty, man. Very impressed with this. I really should swap my stroker motor out get rid of that 402 setup and just put a stock LS3 in the C5. All right, so our dilemma is we're supposed to be racing Jensen tomorrow, but we're both like, this fuel system, man. Jay's like, if you're not gonna race him tomorrow, then I'm turning it back down. But
You gotta race him and turn it up more.
I mean, if we're doing the fuel system, then we already know we're gonna make more power. Alex has the fuel system there. All right, so yeah, man. Oh, dude. Funny. So we decided not to do the glory pull. Yeah. We're gonna play it safe. We're gonna do this right, get the fuel system done, and then we'll have the full send. But man, we should sell the C5, huh? Yes. Or do you think we should LS3 swap it?
We should part it out.
If I look good on the training wheel pull?
Yeah, alright.
Huh?
Good enough.
Did you take my timing out again or nah? Don't play me, man.
You like playing with fire, don't you?
Alright, my good people. So, as y'all can see, it's already dark outside. So, a few hours done went by. So yeah, a few hours done went by. I hadn't had time to drive home, sit there and think about what the next move is, and more than likely now we're gonna do the Ford Innovations dual pump setup, probably some ID 1300s, and then I'm still up and down. I might not change the boost. I might keep it at this boost level. That way later we have room to grow, and it's like, right now it's working, so I don't want to have to redo a belt, pull a supercharger back off and all that to swap the pulley. So we're already, like I said, we've already made more power than what I thought we were gonna make. We made more power than what Jason thought we were gonna make, and we're just at the limit on this fuel system. And before, we thought we were only gonna make 7 pounds. We're like, all right, cool, we'll add the booster pump and we'll call it a day. But we literally ended up tightening up the belt when we put the new alternator on, and we got an extra like 2.5 pounds. Like right now we're seeing 10 pounds of boost versus before when we originally tuned it. It was only at 6.9, 7.2 pounds. So, but yeah, the whole time y'all been seeing the C6 has been literally like 7 pounds, and now it's at 10, but we're maxed out on the fuel system. So I had Jason throw the training wheels back on. Currently got a 6,000 RPM limiter, and we're just gonna address this, get this situated. I'm, as of right now, thinking to keep the same pulley that's on there and tune it and see what it makes like this. And then later on, if we want to add more power, we can, swap the pulley and make more. My decision on not wanting to swap the pulley is literally just because I know, like, we're gonna be on the edge of traction, man, and I want to keep this car looking good like a street car. I'm gonna probably do 20-inch drag radials. I see that Mickey Thompson actually makes a set of 20-inch radials, and our Toyo has a set of 20-inch radials and an R888 setup. So yeah, I think I really want to keep this car looking exactly how it is, but I want it to work and function properly. I don't want to have traction issues, and right now we're cool on traction. We do a 40 from second gear, like there's no spin, we're good. So that's gonna be the plan. I'm gonna try to keep it looking aesthetically pleasing and make a little bit more power out of it, but who knows, man, we'll see. I'm just happy that the car is performing as well as it is, and the C6 is just putting in work, man. I'm like really impressed with these LS3 motors, dude. It's insane. So hopefully sometime this week too I can get this in at White Aaron's and have him put the new clutch in. I've had this clutch for a minute, so need to get the new clutch in, and then maybe we could actually get this thing turned back up and making good power too. So anywho, I'm about to go in here and relax and all that stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know y'all are probably tired of C6 stuff and Corvette stuff, but that's just the hype we're on right now until we get back on the JDM realm of things. But love y'all like always, dude. Deuces. Till next time.